looks good. This is the first ride with the new battery and the new, what do you call it? Oil filter, all done by yours truly. No leakage or anything like that. Or if it would be inside. It would be inside the fairings. That's where the leak would be. But no, I don't see any leakage. So for now, we should be good. For now, we should be good. Hopefully, we'll be good for the entire time, but you never know. Alright, you just never know. Okay, how do we do this again? You gotta forgive me, man. I haven't ridden this bike in ages. Like, I honestly, like, I know I say that every single time I ride, but this time it's actually been like, she's been in the hyperbolic time chamber for about, I want to say 5 or 6 months. And see, with Ducati, you gotta leave the key in there. With Nimbus, you don't have to. With Nimbus, you can take it out. So, like, there's all these little different little things you gotta remember about each of the bikes. It's been so damn long. Look at her. It's been so damn long. All white out, blacked out, and some places whited out in other places. Yeah, why don't anyone ever use the word she got whited out? She got blacked out. Why don't they ever say she got whited out? She got white out. She got blacked out. She got whited out. I don't know, something like that. Alright, she got her pre-workout in for a very long time. She's working out again. She took a little break. But her break was for like therapy, to get better, to become better, to have all sorts of thingy-majigs on her, to perform better. So I wouldn't really call it a hiatus from working out. I would say therapy, you know. Maybe she took up yoga, something like that. Coming back stronger, better than ever. Even though it's a Friday today, look at all these people out. Like, don't these people have work? I took time off of work. So I can, you know, justify myself for being here. But these people, I don't think these people can justify that. The kickstand is a different location than all the other bikes. So but these are first world problems. These are the problems I want to have. So many bikes that I forget how everything is mapped out. I want to have this problem. All right, 9,300 miles on this hoe. We got the range, 137. Let's clean out the trip. And this guy will choose this area instead of any of the other open ones. He goes to this one. So douchebags do exist. You just gotta, you don't have to even look for them. You'll find them so easily. Douchebags do exist. All right. Now her clutch is all the way out there. See? I'm not giving it any throttle. Her friction zone is all the way out there. This is the best bike for making love because of the way she's mapped out. Thugged out. I barely have to pull in the clutch and she's ready. You see? She's already ready to go. I love it. I can launch this bike like nobody's business. Like nobody's business. I can launch this bike. Gotta watch out for this homie. This chick is fat, so don't have to worry about her because she's gonna be slow in whatever she does. Tires aren't warmed up, so I don't want to go too crazy. Come on, dog. A Corolla is faster than you. What's the point of you being big? Alright, everything looks good. Everything looks good. Swing her back and forth. Everything looks good. I'm listening for rattles or shakes, vibrations, things like that. Believe it or not, you can hear a lot of stuff. Even though you're riding like this, you can hear a lot of stuff. I don't hear any clicking, clacking, vibrating, fairings flying off. I don't hear any of that. Test out the brakes. Perfecto. Neutral, super easy to find. She leaning a little bit heavy, which is perfect. I might have to check the shifter. See? I can get an amazing launch off of her. That's with cold tires, so I didn't give it all the way. Alright, we might have to check the quick shifter, auto blipper. I forgot to check if the bolt was tight or not. And sorry about the front camera if it looks funky, because nowadays we have a black windscreen, so you can't see through, so it looks like you're looking at me like what you could see of me right now is a lot less than what it usually is on Nimbus, because we used to have a clear one, now we have a tinted one. Or blacked out one, so don't worry, it's temporary. I don't like blacked out because for front camera I want you guys to see through, because action takes place everywhere, so I want you guys to be able to see everything. Alright. We are gonna gun it, by the way. Just a heads up. Just a heads up. Neutral easy. Brake good. Well, brake's always gonna be good because it's integrated brake or whatever it's called. We're both fine. I can't tell my flush mounts are working though, so for that I can't see them. The top of the fairings are too wide and the flush mount's too under, so we'll have to check that out to see if that's working. I want to see this stuff on the rod. Like, I know off the bike is working, I want to see it while the bike is running, if all this stuff is working. So we're gonna lean. Hit it. Yup, that one's working. Wait for it. That one's working too. Alright, we good, we good. First ride on Nimbus after so long, so we're gonna enjoy it just a little bit. Plus, this is a test to see how well these fairings can hold up. Alright, rear brake. Not as stiff as I would like it to be, but no worries. For some reason I feel I can hear the engine a lot clearer now, which I don't know if it's a good thing or a bad thing. God, I love how I set this clutch. If we could get the same setting on each of the bikes, we'll be golden. We will be golden. Golden. Hard shifts! Downshift, baby! There you go. Well, I was a little late. I already did it and then said it. So it doesn't really count then, does it? It don't really count then. I'm not launching all the way. By the way, we're in rain mode. Ooh, another rider! Make a Yui ride with me. She screams. I miss this. I miss this. Ah, I miss this. I have missed this. She is so fast. Oh my god! I keep seeing a blue light. I don't know if it's a shift light. I can't hear. I can't hear. I keep seeing a blue light. I don't know if it's a shift light or my high beam light, like that. But that's down there. It's not up there. So I ain't know what that is, son. I ain't know what that is, son. I said, I ain't know what that is, son. I wonder how much you guys can hear me right now, because I can barely hear anything. That I'm coming out of my sweet, glorious pie hole. She's too fast. Too fast. She is too fast. And I need earplugs because she is too damn fast. God, I'm so happy. I can't tell you, man. 6 months of not riding this son of a gun. This mother of a pearl. This bodylicious, bodacious motorcycle of gloriness under my cheeks, between my thighs. I want to hug her. Oh my God, I want to hug her. The sweet smell of gasolina. Man, I really want to listen to Daddy Yankee Gasolina right now. But I just wanted to let you guys know that Riding Insane is back on Nimbus. There are gonna be times where there's gaps of us riding Nimbus or Kakarot or Broly, because I only have 2 days in the weekend in Mexico here, and we have 3 bikes. So if I ride on Saturday, Sunday, I ride on Saturday, I rode Broly. On Sunday, I rode Kakarot. Next Saturday, I ride Nimbus, and then it starts over again where I ride Broly. Well, then Kakarot, we'll have to wait about almost 2 weeks to get ridden again. And then Ducati, Broly has to wait 2 weeks. And then the other bike has to wait 2 weeks, so on and so forth, and what have you. In the middle. Sue Heck reference. If you guys watch that show, you keep watching it. If you haven't watched it, watch it right now. But I am so happy, man. Slacks! Want to act a fool so bad. But it's a weekday. It's a weekday. We got a blondie, but she's like 89 years old. Plus 100. 189 years old. So like, who finna hit that, man? Who finna hit that? See, I still waved to him. He thought I wouldn't wave. I waved. I just wanted to make that turn first to see him on the clear. And then I threw him the gang signs. I should have went like that, but I was too scared the bike would walk. Another one. I'm ready for this one, son. Hit me. I'm not gonna have kids anyways because of all these bumps, so what's the point anyways? The Dragon Balls are damaged. I can't make a wish. Make-A-Wish Foundation, I can't make a wish. I can't even work for Make-A-Wish Foundation because my Dragon Balls can't make a wish. Anywho, howdy do, Riding Insane, I'm out. And until next time, I'm out. I've said it so many times that I just don't want to leave. And can't you guys see the connection we have? I don't want to break it. I want to just stay together forever. But like all good things, they almost come to an end. But the awesome thing about my channel and my videos is that it never ends. It never does end because we make 3 videos a week. So you watch this video, you're sad, watch some old ones. But guess what? Come after 2 days or 1 day, depending when you're watching this video. There's gonna be another video. So hoorah, like Al Pacino says. And until next time, I'm Riding Insane, and I'm really happy. All right, I'm out. I'm gonna keep talking, but this video is gonna end. Until next time, Riding Insane, and I'm out. Peace.
Telling me that I should throw it all away. Fight so hard, my heart is hardly helpless. Find myself so desperate on my knees to break.